If you've been looking for a simple way to disconnect your PC from OneDrive, maybe to tidy up your cloud syncing or just minimize background clutter, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to unlink your computer from OneDrive step by step, plus what actually happens when you do. Let's jump in and walk through the process together. First things first, let's locate the OneDrive icon on your Windows 10 or 11 device. You're looking for a little cloud shape in your taskbar's notification area. It might be white or blue depending on your theme or sync status. If you don't see it up front, no worries, just click that upward pointing arrow to show any hidden icons. Think of it like opening a drawer of tools you don't use every day, but that OneDrive cloud will be docked in there. Go ahead and click that cloud icon. A small window will pop up. Look for the Help and Settings gear icon, typically in the upper right corner of the menu. When you click on the gear, select Settings. If you happen to be on a Mac, it might say Preferences instead, but the process is basically the same. With the OneDrive Settings window open, you'll want to head over to the Account tab. You'll usually see a few other tabs across the top, like Settings or Network, but Account is where the magic happens. Click on it to reveal your account overview, including which PC is linked to your OneDrive account. Now look for the option that says Unlink this PC. It's a straightforward button, give it a click. What you're doing here is telling your computer to stop syncing files with your OneDrive cloud account. A confirmation box will appear, just double-checking that this is what you really want to do, so go ahead and click Unlink Account to confirm. Take a breath. At this point, your PC is now unlinked from OneDrive. That means two things. First, your computer will stop automatically syncing files back and forth. For example, any edits you make to documents in your OneDrive folder won't automatically update to the cloud anymore. Second, your existing files are still safe. They remain in your OneDrive folder on your PC, but they'll become online only. Depending on your OneDrive settings and how Windows handles cloud storage, this means they might not take up space on your local drive unless you specifically choose to make a file or folder available offline. So don't panic if you don't see green checkmarks next to your files. That's just your computer's way of showing you what's locally available versus online. And remember, you can always access all your OneDrive files anytime, anywhere by simply signing in to OneDrive.com with your Microsoft account. Unlinking just stops your local sync, it doesn't lose your data. Now, if you want to go a step further and actually uninstall OneDrive from your PC, that's completely optional but easy to do. Just open your Windows settings, go to Apps, scroll down to Microsoft OneDrive in the list, and hit Uninstall. That's it, no more OneDrive on your system. Alright, you're all set. If you found this walkthrough useful, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or run into tricky spots, leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials on managing your Windows experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.